Welcome to another episode of Canadian Workplace Safety Today. Today's episode is all about workplace safety, and I have an expert in workplace safety here to talk about that subject. Lauren, what should business owners know about workplace safety?
They need to comply with the Occupational Health and Safety Act. As a business owner specializing in occupational health and safety, we do training and sell products and do consulting. Many business owners do not, across all industry sectors, whether it's construction, industrial, healthcare, social services, your regular office, what is it that they need to know? They don't know. So we help them through that process. It's following the Occupational Health and Safety Act and any specific regulations that they must understand in order to comply with those laws. So it's a little bit complicated, and they may want to seek some help to get them through that process. We are still finding that we're training workers in their 50s who have never been trained, first time being trained on some of these types of programs like WHMIS, when it's not like they've been at home. They've been working this whole time, but they've never trained, weren't even aware that they have to be trained. And we help the employer understand how they can protect their workers. It's about education, trying to make the whole implementation of that safety as easy as possible for the employer and for the worker. We work 24/7, for instance, because you've got shift workers. We answer their questions on the phone. Right. Workplace safety is about prevention, and that's why you want to call people in to help you through this process. Essentially, when you're building a company, safety should be part of your business plan.
So now your business, you do the full gamut. You sell safety products if people need that. You do online training. You do in-house training. People can come to your office and be trained.
And right now, we're undergoing the greatest change in occupational health and safety in 30 years.
So the government's really clamping down and changing the rules and getting tougher? Is that what you mean by the most change?
Yeah. Yes, and fine-tuning in some industries over others, but it's significant. Employers need to know. They need to know how to be compliant with the current legislation and what's coming down the road, and we're certainly aware of these changes.
I'd love to have you here all day, but it looks like we're running out of time here.
Well, thank you very much.
But you know what? I'm so glad you've come, and we're going to have you back. Well, if you need to reach out to a workplace safety expert, you should get a hold of Lauren and her company, Act First Safety. Thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this broadcast. If you'd like to be a guest, contact our producer, Paul Cookson, at 416-286-2860.